Yes, infield play is important. Daggone right it is. Okay, and we know that what we measure, I get a better chance to manage, and once I can manage it, I can implement it, and I can improve it. But every single practice that we come to, we keep track of this. Now, you can do this on an iPad, you can do it on a tablet, or if you want to go old school, you can have somebody keep the daggone chart. What you also will find out, especially I'm coaching in high school in here, is that most of you, not me certainly, but there's probably some people in the room that got these things when they were 3. I'm being facetious, right? But you can do a lot of things and utilize a lot of data so you can be data informed, not necessarily data driven. Sometimes I know when I get data driven, I tend to make mistakes because I don't take in all the other variables. So here's a chart here. If you want this chart, all you got to do is go on the SU Baseball website, look at my big ugly face on there, click on it, right? See what the email is? Boom, boom, boom. Coach Siers, and I got you, and I will send it to you. Now, I've modified this over the years. I got this back in the early 2000s from Tim Corbin at Vanderbilt. And I've kind of modified it and adapted it away on top. So you can see right here, we've got our normal metrics put out to SIS. How many errors did we make, fielding or throwing? Did we make a web gem? Now, dives for us is, did I make a dive in a play infield-wise and I redirected the flight of the ball? Not I did an Academy Award, right? And I just dove, please see me, coach, right on top of that, and the ball goes 500 feet on top of that. That doesn't really tell me anything for this. Balls off chest, especially if we're doing any power ground ball rounds there in the infield. This here will be total web gems and picks. And picks, total chances, fielding percentage. You can see down here, these are our standards. So we want everybody in the blue. We want everybody in the blue. Now, we've been very fortunate because we get really good players. I'll repeat that. We get really good players, which helps make us be better coaches. We also play on a fully turfed field, right? So kind of do the math. Well, yeah, you should be able to field ground balls on it. Amen. On top of that, okay? But we don't want to be in the yellow. We don't want to be in the yellow. Yellow is below standard. Then, this is one day. This is all aggregated here from the fall. Got to be above 1,000. 1,000 gives me 8 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet. Anything 1,000 or below tells me if the ground ball is hit to you, you will field it. That's great. But if it's hit 8, 8, and 8, you're not going to field it, and they keep running around the bases, and the goal's loose. As we go. And then we have the range on top of this. Now, what I will do is we aggregate these, disaggregate these, and I'll keep these updated, post them every single day. Now, what does this do? Tell the person sitting next to you, what do you think this does during a training or practice session, knowing that every single ball that is put in play during an offensive BP round will be charted? Anybody, real quick, anybody want to shout it out? Yeah, it makes it competitive. The intensity level goes up.